Hotel Cabinn, Copenhagen, Denmark. It's right next to the bus terminal, so it's a very good location. It has several entrances that you can enter from. As you enter, there is a big lounge. You can self-check in or pick up a ticket and go to the counter. Upon arrival, we were actually charged an extra €300. On the side, there are plenty of information and coupons. Use your card and go up the elevator. There are many of these doors and you have to keep on tapping to go through. They're quite heavy as well. So to get to our room, we had to go through about 3 of these doors. Throughout the corridor, it has never been cleaned and we stayed here for over a week. Eventually, we get to our room and it's very plain. We have 2 beds that are separate and it's really annoying because it always splits open in the middle. We paid for this apartment, but it's not really an apartment. So you have this little kitchenette. There's only a few plates and bowls, a couple of utensils. There is a fridge that's completely empty, and then a couple of cleaning products. There are 2 sets of towels and some hangers. The bathroom was basically a wet room, so that the whole entire floor will get wet and your toilet will get wet. In Denmark, they use these little clips for bins. There is a mirror, and there's only 2 shampoos, which is just not enough. And then just behind the door, we have a mirror, a temperature setting thing, and some hooks. Hotel Cabinn has several locations. The main problem I had was that they never cleaned the rooms. They were very stingy about giving anything, such as a bin bag. The biggest benefit here was the really large kitchen downstairs. You have to get a key each day you want to enter. You can only use it for 2 hours and there's 2 cookers. They have an okay amount of equipment in here, but not everything that you need. To reach the kitchen, you have to go outside and cross the car park. It's a little bit dangerous. Back near the reception, we have a laundry room. You can wash your clothes and dry them. Washing is about 1 hour and drying is about 3 hours, and then you can iron. Just outside of the laundry room, we have a luggage storage. You also need to pay for this as well. Upstairs, you have access to a gym, but you need your own towels. From the bedroom window, you can see Tivoli Gardens. They have some firework events at 9:30 at night. Overall, the stay was okay. The price was very expensive though. I would not stay here again because for the same price, you can get a really nice hotel, who will actually supply everything that you need. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!